Welcome to the video. Look, today we're tackling something literally every single one of us has experienced as a shopper, but we're going behind the scenes to see how modern businesses are fixing it. We're talking about AI and seasonal demand planning. Basically, how models go beyond historical patterns to solve that ultimate retail headache, guessing exactly what you and I actually want to buy and when.
Why are the shelves empty? Or, on the flip side, why is the warehouse completely full? You know the feeling. You walk into a store right before a big holiday and the one thing you need is totally sold out. Or maybe you see a warehouse packed to the ceiling with winter coats in the middle of May. Every supply chain professional dreads this. It's called the seasonal hangover. It's that painful moment after a major shopping peak where you're either explaining away empty shelves during a sudden demand spike, or you're just staring at a warehouse full of unsold goods that have suddenly become a massive financial liability.
Subscribe to the channel now to ensure you are not missing on our new knowledge content on supply chain and operations.
So, let's look at the rearview mirror versus a forward-looking GPS.
Here's the thing. For decades, traditional forecasting was honestly like driving a car while only staring in the rearview mirror. The old way literally just asks, hey, how much do we sell last year? And it assumes tomorrow is going to look exactly the same. It's just a linear extension of the past. But AI-driven forecasting? That acts as a forward-looking GPS. It's a total paradigm shift. The new way asks a much smarter question. Why did consumers behave that way? And what signals tell us they'll behave differently tomorrow? It's moving from simple historical math to actual behavioral interpretation.
Next up, real-time signals in action, specifically through a hiking boot example.
Imagine you're managing a big outdoor gear brand, getting ready for the summer camping season. A traditional old-school model sees that hiking boots always sell well in July, so it just blindly pushes boots to stores based on that historical average. But an AI model? It sees the big picture. It spots an unseasonably cold, rainy forecast rolling into a specific region, and it automatically lowers those inventory orders before the boots even leave the distribution center.
This huge capability difference all comes down to processing real-time AI signals. Things like weather forecasts, social media sentiment, economic confidence indicators, competitor pricing changes, and early booking data. The AI uses something called multivariate analysis, which is really just a fancy way of saying it can process thousands of external data signals all at once, stuff human brains simply can't track manually. For example, data shows that adding just weather data alone can improve forecast accuracy by nearly 8% for temperature-sensitive products. And when you combine all these variables, you can reduce forecast variance by over 18%.
This means instead of waiting for a monthly report to tell you a big promotion totally failed, AI platforms allow for instant demand sensing. It works in 3 quick steps. First, it ingests real-time point-of-sale data, so it sees exactly what's being bought at the register right now. Second, it detects demand deviations within hours, not weeks. And third, it adjusts your replenishment plans on the fly. It literally turns a slow, batch-process supply chain into this living, breathing, self-optimizing ecosystem.
And the business results? They are absolutely transformational. We're talking a 20 to 50% reduction in forecasting errors. Massive companies like Walmart and Amazon are using these AI insights to evaluate over 100 million product location combinations every single day. That's how they maintain over 96% on-time delivery rates, even when peak seasonal volatility hits hard. Furthermore, leveraging these models translates into up to a 65% reduction in lost sales from product unavailability. Put simply, when a customer walks into a store, the item they want is actually right there on the shelf. We are talking about saving massive, multi-million-dollar investments that used to be based on lagging indicators, gut feelings, and outdated spreadsheets.
By moving away from those one-size-fits-all seasonal indices and really embracing dynamic, signal-aware forecasting, it's time to stop guessing in the dark. So, I leave you with this. In a world where consumer demand can flip with a single viral social media post or an unexpected storm, are you ready to treat volatility as a competitive advantage?